Arkan is our motherland. We were here, so we are citizens. Arkan is our motherland. We were here, so we are citizens. We were here, so we are citizens. Rohingyas' houses were burned down. Our mothers and sisters were killed by the gun. Rohingyas' houses were burned down. Our mothers and sisters were killed by the gun. Myanmar says we are illegal. Myanmar says we are illegal. Bengali immigrants. Arkan is our motherland. We were here, so we are citizens. We were here, so we are citizens. A crowd into history, we lived here before all ethnic groups. A crowd into history, we lived here before all ethnic groups. Abdul Razak is the headmaster of Onseng with Puruf. Abdul Razak is the headmaster of Onseng with Puruf. UN, UK, US, OIC, ASEAN can reach our Rohingyas are before them. Arkan is our motherland. We were here, so we are citizens. We were here, so we are citizens. Rohingyas demand our fundamental right. Rohingyas demand our fundamental right. Then military starting with us policy fight. Then military starting with us policy fight. Military killing us for demanding. Military killing us for demanding citizens. Arkan is our motherland. We were here, so we are citizens. We were here, so we are citizens. Arkan is our motherland. We were here, so we are citizens. Myanmar says Rohingya have to take and we sikat. Myanmar says Rohingya have to take and we sikat. If you don't take, you have to flee from the earth. If you don't take, you have to flee from the earth. So focus this problem, ladies and gentlemen. Arkan is our motherland. We were here, so we are citizens. We were here, so we are citizens. Thank you so much, Sheikh Hasina, by saving shelterless Rohingyas. Thank you so much, Sheikh Hasina, by saving shelterless Rohingyas. Also she gave to protect many doctors. Also she gave to protect many doctors. She is suitable, so as like she is suitable for World's Nobel. Arkan is our motherland. We were here, so we are citizens. We were here, so we are citizens.